What's up, guys? I'm Landon,
I'm Zach.
and we started Honey Hole Angling to show you how not to fish like us.
Yeah. So pretty much just follow us along on all of our fishing misadventures and hopefully take something away each time you watch.
And today we went carp fishing.
Yeah, and we touched some carp.
We did touch some carp, so you have to watch the video to see what happens.
For sure.
I couldn't tell. Eat it, buddy. That's like his two spots.
Yeah, he's got... There you go.
He's worn out, but at the same time, he doesn't want to. Scoop and a miss. Let me see the net. Is he up under there?
Yeah. I was trying to poke him and he wasn't moving that way.
And what I'll do, this is pretty clear right here, so let me do this.
Oh, you're good. Bye, bud. It's our good deed for the day.
Got a carp. under there. You know? Oh gosh. He's a big fish. Yeah. I think bigger than the last one.
Be careful what you touch.
Oh no, not as big as I
No, yeah, he's not as big. Oh, right into the net.
Alright. Oh, Lee, chill, bro. Chill.
Nice.
Later, buddy.
Dang, guys. That was a crazy video.
That was crazy.
Man, we touched a couple carp.
We touched some carp.
And also, if you liked what you saw, follow us and subscribe for more great fishing adventures.
It's like down here, I think.
It might be up here, but
Or-
probably down here.
Or you can go to our website.
honeyholeangling.com.